welcome to the channel. Today we're going to learn Busy Woman by Sabrina Carpenter. Just a real quick one, really easy, simple song, so let's get to it. So we've got two sections, just a verse and a chorus. The verse, super easy, just one chord, an E minor chord. So we've got finger 1 on fret 2 of the A string and finger 2 on fret 2 of the D string. And we're just going to continually palm mute 8 strums. And that's the whole verse, and then onto the chorus. We have 4 different chords. I've got A minor, which is finger 2 on fret 2 of the D, finger 3 on fret 2 of the G, and finger 1 on fret 1 of the B string. Then a D, which is G2, E2, and B3. Then a G, which is E3, A2 and E3. And then an E minor, which is A2, D2, just like we had it earlier on. And we've got a nice easy rhythm between A minor and D, which sounds like this. Really slowly for you. So we go down, 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 up for the D, but all together down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And then we just repeat exactly the same rhythm between G and E minor. So the whole chorus is super easy. So let me know how you get on in the comments, and like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.